You see the place? See this place? The smoke is too much here. Exploring this street of from Elena to here. This road is going in Zambia. Hello my beautiful people. Today we are here in Kampala, Uganda. Yeah. I'm Muhirwa, always travel with Muhirwa. So today, do you see this part? I'm here off Kampala in landbound. You see? Let's travel in this place to check. We see how it look like. You see? I'm here in the landbound, in the bridge on the city. You see? You see where we're going? Going on the top here. Okay, let's go. This is the Kampala, beautiful city. You see, when you are here, you see the Kampala, and you see the beautiful city. Anyway, to this place, I want to show you the many places here in this part of Uganda. Beautiful. See, these are beautiful, beautiful flower here in Uganda. You see this nursery. This nursery flowers is very beautiful. Hello, brother. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Hey, you are preparing the nursery? You selling it? How much, brother? One nursery. How much one? One.
Which one?
This one. This one.
That is 10,000.
10,000. Wow, so good. It's a good price. This is very good. What's your name?
My name?
Yes.
My name is Flower.
Flower.
Yeah.
Flower.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, you see this place is very beautiful. When you found here, when you have the preparing nursery, come here. Yeah. Let's travel to Elena. Elena. You see the beautiful place. When you are here, you see in the Kampala city there. You see? Kampala city. Wow. Wow. Let's go to explore another part. You see this road? This road is very beautiful road. You see? And this is a plantation. This is a flower again. This is a kind of another flowers here. Yeah. You see? Let's go. My friend, click subscribe to my channel and like and share the video. Wow, thank you. Let's go to the arena. Yes, yes. Wow, see the lot. Pam, 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 pam. Arena Mele. Let's go to Explorer and this part of Arena Mall. We see how it's look like. Wow, I don't know what's I'm going in this area. Yes, now I'm in the Arena Mall. I'm here in this side of Arena Mall. Wow, you see the road? Yes. Le, 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 le. Le, le. I'm here in Denmark. This side of Elena. I'm around here. That's the first around here. Check, we see how this place look like. Wow. As you see, to explore this part. This is Arena Mall. Yes, yes, yes. See this part? Guys, how can I pass here? Okay, let me go, let me go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. I pass, I pass. Wow, you see this place, guys? Very beautiful place. Uh, do you see here? You see this road? It's beautiful. Road. See? As you see, this place is a very beautiful place. When you're traveling here, you feel like cool, you feel better, good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. When you are here, you see the town. You see the town. Wow. You see, this place is very beautiful. It's a very beautiful place. You see, very good. See this place. It's a very beautiful place, and you can traveling. I'm exploring this street of from Elena to here. This road is going in Zambia. It's going in Zambia. Okay. You see, as you see the road is very beautiful place. I don't know where is this from. Hey, wow. This smoke from this place. You see? You see the place? You see, you see, you see, you see? Wow. You see this place? The smoke is too much here. There is someone who burning something here in this place. You see, I'm around here. You see the road of train road. As you see this place here on the train.